The SanDisk Cruzer Blade USB flash drive comes in various sizes ranging from 16 gigs all the way to 128 gigabytes. The standard single pack comes in black, but the 3-pack version comes in, as you might have guessed it, in 3 colors. Although I have lost some over the years, so you will only see the green one in this video. It's a simple little thumb drive without any covers, retractable ports or LEDs, weighing in at around 4 grams, so it's absolutely super lightweight. Anyway, let's look at the synthetic benchmark results. I ran the test 5 times to get an average write speed of around 2.8 megabytes per second and a read speed of 36.9 megabytes per second. Moving on for some real-world tests, I transferred a 1 gigabyte file to the USB drive and then copied the same file back to the computer. In this example, it took 4 minutes and 56 seconds to write the file to the USB drive with an average speed of 3.3 megabytes a second, which is slightly better than our synthetic tests. Copying the same 1 gig file back to the computer took 24 seconds, with an average speed of 41.67 megabytes per second. Again, quite a bit faster than our synthetic benchmark. So, do I recommend it? Here's the thing. Despite the fact that it's only a 2.0 drive, I was quite surprised by the read speed, especially after the rather disappointing write speed in comparison. However, since it's one of the cheapest SanDisk drive you can get, especially in the USB 2.0 standard, I think it's reasonable. I use mine for ISO boot drives for macOS or to test out different Linux on different computers, especially older computers. That's kind of the main reason why I wanted something cheap and almost disposable. And I don't mind that it doesn't support USB 3.0, which would be quicker, I would imagine. But since most of my older machines that I'm going to use these thumb drives on won't have USB 3 ports anyway, so it really doesn't matter. In my case, it just fits the bill just fine. So yeah, only you will know if the speed is acceptable, but hopefully these speed tests and some real-world speed tests will give you some insight on the performance of these drives. If you're interested in buying one, there's a link in the description down below. However, if you prefer something faster, maybe you can check out my review on the SanDisk Ultra USB 3 flash drive instead. Or if you prefer something smaller, you can check out my previous video on the Cruzer Fit USB drive, also by SanDisk. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching as always. My name is Joe, and I'll see you in the next one.